Sorry, I didn't hear you. Please say yes or no. Say or enter the 15-digit PIN.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome. It is I again, your friendly neighborhood Bran Flakes. I really needed a hotspot, and Walmart had exactly one option. It is, of course, the Straight Talk mobile hotspot. Although that's not all I bought. I also got this. It's 10 gigabytes for a mere $50. That's quite steep. I do not intend to spend $50 every time I want to reload 10 gigabytes. That's like, what, 4 movies? So I'll probably end up taking this back, but let's try it out. See how hassle-free or plenty this device actually is. The Straight Talk mobile hotspot coming up. Right away I can see they've taken some creative liberties with the name, seeing as it's about room temperature at best. So let me take my knife that I definitely did not use for butter today. Open that bad boy up. Gotta say, the guy at Walmart, he was like 20. He was saying, he's like, you know, I really wouldn't buy it. He basically said not to get it, but I've had the Straight Talk before, years ago, and technology has only improved since then. So, what could possibly go wrong? So I'm gonna pull the little doodad out of here. I'm covering up my serial numbers and stuff, but it looks like there's a SIM card in there. So that's pretty official. So we got a power button. It's very shallow and kind of hard to press. There's a menu button up there. This guy up here. It kind of looks like an old flip phone. Old. I don't really have any complaints about the presentation. Let's take a look at what's in the rest of the box, shall we? Alright. First things first, here's a power cable. There it is, we got the micro USB. Seems to be typical for low-powered devices. This looks like the back panel. We have a little booklet. I'm trying to cover up the numbers. And this right here is possibly the smallest charging box I've ever seen in my life. Tiny. I mean, I wish I had a banana for scale. Throwback Thursday. Interesting plastic. Always nice to have a little charging box. We have a Moxie battery. I wonder when the Boxy battery is coming. Let's count our lucky stars that they have included a paper copy of the terms and conditions. 2 more booklets. Man, so many booklets I don't have time to read all of them. This is a packed bag here, man. They give you a lot of crap. So what we will do, as always, is we will not read the service guide. We'll put all of it aside and we will act like we know what we're doing throughout the rest of the YouTube video. That's the way I like to live my life. Open the backpack. The slide back on the pack. You ever feel a material?
Have you ever had a dream?
You ever feel something and it's just like, wow, that is so nice feeling. I just want to bathe in it. And here's the back panel of the back plate. We'll put this on to the best of our abilities. Does not go on that way, looks like. There we go. Now, since we're not reading the instruction manual, we might as well just turn it on, see what happens. That screen flicker a little bit. Normally it seems like these devices are about between 20 and 50% charged. So we're about halfway charged, or so they say, and we'll continue. No service. Of course there's no service. Do I look like a man of service to you? Hold on, let me check my pager. So it looks like there's 2 controls. We got OK. Okay, I got next. 2.4 5G. Device setting. Oh, let's see what's in the device settings. Mobile data roaming. So I guess this is really cool. You could Just take it anywhere. I want to go back home. Take me home. Seems like it's about 4 seconds. Seems like it's about 4 or 5 seconds to power it off all the way. Alright, so to set this bad boy up takes a couple things. You need a cell phone with service, ironically. So I have that right here. I have my power bank. You might be thinking, why do you have the power bank on the table, Brainflakes? What's going on? Why isn't it plugged into the wall? Well, I hope to have a video on this anchor thing pretty soon. But we'll use it for this video just because we can. Alright, so while the hotspot is charging, I figure we will activate this through cellular. Let me go ahead and scratch this code off here, and I'll be back to you when I'm calling the number, and we'll see how fast this thing goes. Okay, so our friend here is still charging, and seeing as this is a number that's just on the back of this thing, anybody can walk into a Walmart and call them.
We apologize. Our customer care center is currently closed due to system upgrades. Please call back at 7 a.m.
What? Okay, so I'm gonna try again.
We apologize. Our customer care center is currently closed due to system upgrades.
Due to system upgrades. Ugh. Let's see if we can go online and do this then. Why is it that as soon as I go to make a video, bad things happen to me? Harumph. We're still charging over here. So I will put the attention onto the telephone. Oh boy. Good to know the card is non-refundable. So we'll go down to activate. Phones and tablets. Phone and tablet, home phone, internet, remote, hotspot. There we go. We'll need your device. So my camera died. Let's go ahead and remove the back of the Moxie device. I believe I should be able to take a picture of the QR code, which I will do off camera. I typed it in manually because getting a picture of the back side of this thing was a pain. So we'll hit continue. So it simply appears that the site is down for maintenance because this is the only thing that I get.
We apologize. Our customer care center is currently closed due to system upgrades. Please call back at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
So that's the only response I'm getting. The website is just completely a dead end. I will try again in the morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Thank you for calling Straight Talk. Para español, marca 2. For any other service, press 7.
Okay, let's refill your service. Say or enter the phone number you are calling about. Or if you're calling to refill your service but don't have a phone number, say, I don't have one.
I don't have one.
Okay, please say or enter your device IMEI or serial MEID numbers. Or if you have a SIM card, enter the number displayed on the SIM card itself. If you need time to find it, say, I need time.
1.
I got 111111100. Is that right?
Yes.
Hey, one moment while I look this up. Say or enter your 15-digit service plan PIN. If you'd like to buy one with your debit, credit, or government-issued card.
8.
I got 800
No.
845
No.
555.
No.
My mistake. Say or enter the 15-digit PIN. It's located on the back of your service plan underneath the gray strip. If you'd like to buy one with your debit, credit, or government-issued card.
891.
I got 891. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thanks. The Straight Talk service card PIN you entered is not valid for this phone. If you don't...
Just 4 minutes.
Thank you for calling Straight Talk. Para español, marca 2. This call may be recorded for quality assurance. You also may be selected for a survey at the end of this call. For any other service, press 7. Otherwise, press 2. To return to the previous menu, press 9.
Okay, let's get started. Please say the phone number you're calling about. If you don't have one, say,
I don't have one.
no problem. What would you like to use to look up your information? If you don't have any of these,
SIM
say,
number.
I don't have one. Sure. Please say the SIM number of the device you are calling about.
9.
I got 8. Is that right?
No.
My mistake. Please say the SIM number of the device you are calling about.
53044.
I got 530. Is that right?
No.
My mistake again. To look up your information, please say the number or enter it now.
89148000084555304.
I got 814-800-00.
No.
Seems like you will need agent assistance, but we're closed right now. We're open every day, 8 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. Eastern Time. Please call us back within that time frame so we can further assist you. You can also get assistance by texting support to 611-611. Thank you for calling. Goodbye. Sorry, I didn't hear you. If you want to purchase a service plan, I got 196. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Sorry, I can't tell whether you said yes or no.
Yes.
Thanks. What is the zip code of the area where you will be using your Straight Talk service the most? I got, is that correct?
Yes.
Thanks. Please say a phone number where we can reach you, starting with the area code. I got,
Yes.
thanks. Next, to protect your information, you will need to set up a 4-digit security PIN that you will use to access your account in the future. Okay, I've started the process of activating your service, which will expire on December 2022. Please be sure to refill your service before this date in order to keep it active. I will now give you instructions to follow in order to complete your activation. You may want to write them down.
Assholes.
Turn your hotspot off and back on. When the activation is complete, the hotspot will display signal bars at the upper left corner of the screen. This may take a few minutes. If signal bars do not appear, reboot the device and try again. If you need more time, say,
More time.
okay, I'll give you some time. At any point when you are ready, just say, I'm ready, or press any key.
I'm ready.
Okay, would you like me to repeat these instructions?
No.
Okay, thank you for calling Straight Talk. Goodbye.
Is it working? It appears that it's working. Let's go check the computer. So it says that it's going at 2 megabytes a second. I hope that it's not just putting out 2 megabytes a second, because that would be very wasteful. And let's go ahead and run a speed test. Okay then, it says it's going at 4 megabytes a second, that's good. So I've restarted Firefox and we will try again. Okay. Piece of garbage. How nice of you to join me. I just finished setting up that hotspot, and boy was it a lengthy process. I don't know how to end this video other than to say I'm taking it right back to Walmart. I hope you subscribe and share with your friends. I'm going to get back to reading my book, which you can buy on Amazon.
If you need time to find it, say, I need time to find it that came inside your package.